Understanding Wire Installation, an English language guide. Hello everyone! Today's video is all about understanding the phrase, wire installation. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about technical terms, this video will break down the meaning and usage of wire installation in a simple and easy to understand way. So let's get started. Wire installation refers to the process of installing wires in a building, system, or piece of equipment. Wires are thin, flexible strands of metal used to conduct electricity or telecommunications signals. This process is essential in many fields, including construction, electrical engineering, and technology. We'll explore the different aspects of wire installation, such as types of wires, tools used, and safety precautions. In this section, we'll look at the various types of wires commonly used in wire installation. You'll learn about copper wires, which are widely used for electrical wiring due to their excellent conductivity, and fiber optic cables, which are essential for high-speed internet connections. We'll also discuss the specific uses of different wires in various applications. Here, we'll introduce the tools and equipment necessary for installing wires. This includes items like wire strippers, cable cutters, and cable fishing tools. Understanding these tools is crucial for anyone looking to grasp the practical side of wire installation. Safety is paramount in wire installation. This section will cover the safety protocols and protective gear needed, such as insulated gloves and safety goggles. We'll also touch on the importance of following electrical codes and regulations to ensure a safe installation process. To give you a better understanding, we'll discuss real-world applications of wire installation. This includes examples like wiring a residential house, setting up a computer network, and installing a home theater system. These practical examples will help illustrate the importance and ubiquity of wire installation in our daily lives. I hope this video has helped clarify what wire installation means and why it's such an important process in many technical and everyday applications. Remember, understanding such terms not only enriches your English vocabulary but also broadens your knowledge in practical fields. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.